Because it's so late right now, it's kind of crazy. It's not so pouring outside, but like, it's just a little drizzle. Oh, I hate it. I got books in my backpack.
Look. No, look.
Bye, Mr. Vincent. I'll miss you.
Say bye. Y'all make sure you stay back off the road.
Why do I feel like there's going to be a flash? Oh my god, finally! Took long enough. This took long enough. Get me out of here. Yeah, you took forever. You took forever.
What is it?
We're getting poured on. Like, rain is rain.
What book?
What book?
This book is sad.
Drop.
Have you ever read Old Yeller?
No.
It's a sad book.
I was recording like a minute of this whole thing.
Come on, guys, we gotta go.
It's cold. It was cold out there. Why y'all so late?
I have to survive her.
Survival.
Just like I had to survive her in music. I didn't know where to sit. I didn't put myself there either.
No.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Have a seat. Just sit.
Anywhere.
He's just standing there.
Completely open right there.
Innocently.
Right there. Completely open.
Go ahead, Anthony. Sit down over there.
We'll figure it out.
Well, I'm getting ready to move them. That's why I said go sit down there. Go ahead. Go. You won't get in trouble. Watch out, Matthew.
Oh,
He's coming with you.
Anthony Spider-Man.
Shorties, I'm recording
I get ready off this whole thing. And when I get ready off the bus, it's kind of crazy. Okay?
Being squished.
I know.
No, I'm serious. It's a SU.
Man, it's so blurry.
No, I am not. Watch this.
Are you gay?
Are you dumb?
Are you gay?
Are you stupid?
I think you might need to go back to your medical asylum where you belong.
I think you need some more
Actually, you belong to have more brain
You
cells.
Harry Potter.
Oh, I don't even have the circular glasses.
Well, it's stuck with you forever. It's stuck with you forever.
Die.
Mark, come over.
Literally call it chapter 3. Mother Nature's trying to
Mark, let me see that. How about we trade?
Why are you recording
Oh.
I don't know why.
Why don't you stop the video?
Okay, you want to do it?
I don't know because I don't want to. Like, sit down,
You
bro.
obliterated it. That's not shooting, that's obliterating.
Like, sit down, bro.
There's an open right there.